Let's talk about Cook Practical Exam Prep and what really matters on exam day. If you're preparing for the Red Seal Cook Practical, you're not just being tested on recipes. You're being evaluated on how you think, organize, and work under pressure. The practical exam is designed to reflect a real professional kitchen. Examiners want to see safe habits, solid technique, and clean execution. They are watching how you work, not just what you produce. One of the first things assessed is organization. Your workstation setup, mise en place, and time management matter a lot. A calm, methodical start sets the tone for the entire exam. Food safety is always front and center. Expect close attention to sanitation, temperature control, and cross-contamination prevention. These habits should look automatic, not forced. Knife skills are another key focus. Consistency, safety, and efficiency matter more than speed. Clean cuts show control and professionalism. During Cook Practical Exam Prep, many candidates overlook seasoning and balance. Taste as you go and adjust thoughtfully. Judges look for flavor that makes sense for the dish and technique used. Timing is one of the biggest challenges. You may be working on multiple components at once. Planning your sequence before you start helps avoid rushing later. Remember that technique matters more than fancy presentation. Proper cooking methods, doneness, and texture are critical. Simple dishes executed well often score higher than complex ones done poorly. Communication and professionalism also play a role. Follow instructions carefully and stay focused. If something goes wrong, adapt calmly and move forward. Many people feel nervous because they haven't been evaluated this way before. That's completely normal. Confidence comes from practicing under similar conditions. A strong cook. Practical exam prep plan includes mock exams. Practice cooking with time limits. Simulate pressure so exam day feels familiar. It also helps to review the Red Seal occupational standards. They outline the skills and expectations for the trade. Knowing what's being assessed removes guesswork. This exam is not only for apprentices. Many experienced cooks challenge it later in their careers. It's also common for newcomers to Canada to write it while upgrading credentials. Red Seal certification offers national recognition across Canada. Once certified, you can work in any province without recertifying. That flexibility is valuable in a mobile industry like hospitality. Certified cooks often see more opportunities for advancement. Many move into supervisory, teaching, or management roles. Some go on to open their own kitchens or food businesses. Preparation usually starts 3 to 6 months in advance. You don't need to practice every day for hours. Consistent, focused sessions are more effective. Using the right study tools can support your practical prep. Question and answer resources reinforce theory behind techniques. Explanation-style materials clarify why certain methods are preferred. Online time tests help with the written portion and overall readiness. At redsealstudyguide.ca, many cooks use these tools to support their preparation. The resources are designed for working professionals with busy schedules. They support kitchen practice by strengthening decision-making and confidence. Effective Cook Practical Exam Prep is about showing what you already do well. Stay organized, work safely, and cook with intention. And when you want extra support alongside hands-on practice, redsealstudyguide.ca is there to help you prepare with confidence.